Hi, my name is Jerry. Last year I was looking for a cybersecurity course which offers practical real-life experience. I came across one offered by InfoSec for TC. It was one of the best investments I've ever made.
Hello, my name is Stella. I was introduced to Dr. Atif of InfoSec for TC.com. I don't have a cybersecurity background, but right now I can say I'm vast in knowledge in the cybersecurity topics, and I'm moving forward in my career.
Hi, my name is Hervé. I'm here to provide a feedback on a training I took with a company called InfoSec for TC. I decided to research further. I discovered this training and it was just perfect.
Hi, my name is Mahmoud. The instructor is very knowledgeable and supportive, while providing a great learning experience that engaged my interest in even more in the workshop and increased my knowledge regarding the cybersecurity program workshop. I advise you to check their website and contact them for any queries, and you will be amazed by their quick response.
Check out yourself, make a decision, and contact InfoSec for TC for any questions you might have.
I bet you will be happy you did. You will not regret it. I wish you good luck. Thank you.